That's beautiful.
Yeah, that was sweet of her. I was going to give her tarot cards, but she's like, I can control people. No, and now we're going to wait 2 more years.
Yeah.
So, this is a trajectory of your current energies. And if you get something that comes across, and sorry, this is the only deck I have on me, but it's I read for myself with this deck. This is called the Wild Unknown. And so all tarot decks have, pretty much all of them run off the same system of symbols, and that's from about 1500 years ago in Italy. And then the symbols are actually based on symbolism from Egypt. So it's really ancient kind of archetypes, human archetypes. And if you're into any kind of mythology, if you like Joseph Campbell, he proved that mythology is a global phenomenon. The hero's journey is a common story. And so that's what tarot is. The major archetypes are the fool's journey in tarot, but it's the same thing. It's, the common themes that humanity deals with. So when we do tarot readings, what we get are like a trajectory of where your energy is headed currently. It's like a snapshot. So if you get something that comes up that seems negative, it doesn't mean that something bad is going to happen to you. What it means is that you're headed in that direction and you're getting a heads up so you can change. And I will draw an energy at your feet card that will show you how to work with the energy that's available to you to get what you want. So don't be afraid of tarot readings. They are like an agreement to accept messages. And the other side does want to give us messages. They will help us, but we have free will. And free will is more powerful than anything out there. So that is why you don't ever want to give your power away to a tarot card reading. You want to use it as information about where your energy is kind of, where it's going to put you, what's coming towards you. We're just getting my energy out of there. So you've never had a reading before?
No.
Oh, cool. I'm going to do a 10-card spread, and we're just going to kind of see what the story says. And we'll know pretty quickly if it's resonating with you or not. But I've been doing this down here for a couple of years for guests, and I've been pretty obsessed with this for around 5 years. And I have had maybe like 5 times that it hasn't worked for people. I don't know what that is, but I think it's awesome. Okay, baby Nemo. So go ahead and put your hand on the deck and intend that your energy is going into the cards. And when you feel like it's good is the best way to describe the feeling. When you feel like it's good, you want to split the deck wherever you feel like it's good. Take the top. So you have, in your current situation, you have the Four of Swords energy, and this is about taking a break. So that, based on what you told me about taking a break from doing your little vacation, that makes sense. And swords are air energy, so this is like thought and communication. And this little lamb, he's got the sun, and that means illumination. So he's taking a break and kind of contemplating, maybe coming up with some new ideas. And then what you have crossing you is the sun in reverse. So the sun is very powerful energy, and in reverse it's still there, like the upright meaning is still there, but there's some kind of block to your perfect happiness or to your illumination, because we have this illumination with this lamb here. So something's going on that is making things a little bit, something not quite perfect in your world. And the crowning energy is also in reverse. This is the Mother of Cups. So the Queen of Cups, cups are emotion energy, and so this is water energies, emotion and spirituality. And the Queen of Cups is about healing, mother energy, being generous and giving, and just that kind of open-hearted, kind of healing energy. And the crowning energy that you have is this in reverse. That means it hasn't come in yet, but it is affecting you already. The energy at your feet that you have to work with is the Three of Pentacles, and it's in reverse. And the Three of Pentacles is about collaboration and like working together to climb the big mountain here. And Pentacles are earth energy, so this is like your home and your money and your finances. It could be family. It's the material world. In reverse, I feel like it's saying like there's something that you shouldn't be collaborating on. You know, because this is collaboration energy, it's working together. But in reverse, as an advice, it's saying that there might be someone in your environment that you need to separate from. And if the Queen of Cups in reverse is coming in your crowning energy, could that be like maybe a mother energy or a parental energy that's affecting you? I don't know. Does any of this resonate?
Possible. Well, my mom does live with us right now, and he also just got a new job. That's like not an ideal job change. So I am very stressed out about what it's going to be like, you know, with this change financially.
Okay. Well, let's see what the rest of this stuff says. So in your past, you had some kind of sudden change. This is Tower energy, and the Tower can be like a very dramatic change. You can see it's like lightning hitting the tree, or it can be just like an epiphany, like all of a sudden you realize something, it changes everything forever. So some kind of major change is influencing the way that you operate now, and if it's something that caused you fear, you know, that's going to change the way that you operate. In your future, though, you have very good energy. This is the Chariot card, and this is about victory. This is about forward movement. It can be about travel. Traditionally, a Chariot card has like the two sphinxes that are pulling the chariot, and it's about being in control and being able to like balance the energies. And then there's always a canopy with stars, and it's about like as above, so below. So it's like this perfect balance of like victory and forward movement. So super positive energy. And in this deck, she has the sun above the horse here. So maybe we could interpret it that the sun that's got a blockage to it, maybe you're going to move forward out of that. And this is already on your current path. So this advice to get what you want, even if you choose to not do that, you're still on a positive path forward. And then your current energy is the Son of Wands in reverse. So this is like your situation, right? You're taking a break. There's some kind of block to your illumination or perfect happiness. But this is you. And the Son of Wands is the Knight of Wands. And he is about creativity. Wands are passion and creativity, fire energy. And it means moving forward. But this is not moving forward. This is not this kind of like celebratory confidence that this guy has. So there's a block to that. There's some kind of like hesitation or lack of like assuredness, something like that. So that's saying that that's what your energy is right now. So
yeah, that sounds like me.
but it's like still here, like the core of you is still this like positive creative energy, but there's just something that makes you feel hesitant.
Yeah, even like when I was younger, I went to art school for a while in New York, and then I just got discouraged being around all these other creative people that I was just like, what am I doing here? I'm not going to make it here. Like I just didn't do that.
You need more confidence.
Yeah.
You know what builds confidence? successes, little successes, achievable goals.
Or like my mom, she wants to have like a food truck, and I'm thinking like, well, there's a lot of other places,
I
and what
know,
about health
right?
code violations and this and that? Like thinking of every reason not to do something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's always reasons not to do it, but it seems like,
Yeah.
when you have like this like really positive energy, just kind of like that stuff falls away and doesn't mess with you. So maybe you should try the frequency thing, like get some headphones and try those healing frequencies. I feel like that would help you.
But yeah, right now, I think that's my thing right now. Just extra anxiety, extra like.
Yeah. Well, you're in a new place right now. You're doing like new things, and it just takes a while to feel confident.
Yeah.
You'll get there. You guys are in good shape. I can already tell you're like really solid. So I meet a lot of people, so I know. So you're in good shape. What you have in your environment that's affecting you is the Son of Pentacles. So this is a person or a circumstance, and so he is the Knight of Pentacles in the traditional deck, and he is slow and steady wins the race kind of guy. He always meets his goals. He always is responsible, and he's reliable. So you have this very strong energy that you can rely on in your environment, that should give you like this solid foundation. That's super positive. Probably talking about you. I feel it. And then your hope or fear is Seven of Cups, and it's in reverse. Is about having a lot of options, and this is like not knowing what option to choose and being confused because it's the moon. Moon energy is confusion, but yours is in reverse. What you're hoping for and what you're probably like manifesting, because you're kind of focusing on it, is clarity and understanding what you should do. And then your outcome is amazing. You have the Ace of Cups. This is like a new beginning and something emotionally significant. This is super positive. This is like a gift from the universe. This is just this super positive new beginning. And cups are that emotion energy. It's water, it's spirituality. This is great. You have the Chariot and you have the Ace of Cups. And it's definitely like, looks like you're trying to get a grasp on things, and in the past something happened that causes you to have like a lack of confidence, but you're moving forward in this so well. You have this Chariot energy that's a victory, and then your outcome is the Ace of Cups, which is this like super happy, like fulfilled new beginning in something. And you got this solid foundation, and at the heart, even these reversals are still like there's this positive energy at the heart of it. I don't know what this is, this Mother of Cups energy that's crowning you. That could be like, that could also be like you don't feel confident in something. She's about healing and sort of an open heart. Maybe it's just like a fear energy that's coming in for you. And then what you have is your shadow energy that's like encompassing everything, is the Four of Pentacles in reverse, which means letting go of something. So was it the other job maybe that you're letting go of? Some kind of feeling of like a financial stability or something like that? But there's some kind of releasing of this Pentacle energy. And honestly, Four of Pentacles can mean anything. It's just like when it's upright, it's holding on, and when it's in reverse, it's letting go. And then you have, if we go a step farther, you have the King of Pentacles energy. So I would not worry about this at all. I would say that there's some fear here, but you are in good shape. You are on a good path, and I would not worry about anything. It's a good read. Yeah.
I don't know, I've just become more scared and anxious than I have ever been.
Yeah.
over everything. I don't know.
Did you say you guys just moved?
Yeah, we just got a house. And before that, it was just like we were moving a lot.
And then if you have any questions, you can always send me an email, because that number is a sideline number and it is so glitchy. I hate it. I'm going to start using Google Voice or something.
Yes.